So in this particular video lesson, you will learn how to do competitor research. So this is the list. I will share the URL with you. Just let me make it. Okay, let us share a URL. You will get this list. Okay. So now I am going to do competitor list research. Actually, I already done that, but to show you the process, I am doing it again for you. So let's start, right? So URL shared. I will put it up for the sheet. Okay. So what I will do, I will type is a participant of Amazon Services LLC in double quote. So this is the statement that every site has to be used, every affiliate site and the niche. So I can get the niche of the okay niche of this site niche. Okay, wait a minute. Let me make it more in URL. Now I want the site that are having paintball in their URL. As you can see, everywhere everything is having a paintball. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to have this list and be over the competitor tab. These are some competitors that I already figured out and I will do in front of you. So now Paintball magazine is my competitor. As you can see, they are having affiliate disclosure as well, and they are a affiliate site. I know it is. I don't know why it's taking too much time. So what I will do is I will just go and find my competitor and I will add it over here. As you can see, paintballmagazine.com is added over here. Paintball magazine combat geeky. Let's see. And this looks like a paintball, but yeah, four types of paintball players. So this is also a paintball site. Okay, I put it at, wait a minute. Okay, what's happening? I don't know what's happening. The Google Lodge this also looks a paintball site because they are having a mention because we are using this in your paintball. Every paintball site will use this. Okay, so just go over there and start writing these words, phrases. Okay. Now let me show you one thing that is whenever you will duplicate a URL that will be marked as red as you can see. So this helps you to reduce duplicacy. Now let me be over here and I don't know what this error is. It will be solved. Paintball Zapper. As you can see, paintzapper.com and Paint Zapper. Hope is this. How is this? Well, I don't know what exactly it is. But this is a paintball site because they are having a paintball in their URL. Okay, as you can see, so you can get tons of ideas from here, right? It's a not a site that is completely on paintball, but yeah, you can take some inspiration from here and find where they are using in where are they having. And moreover, in domain, if someone having a paintball, then it's for sure it's a paintball site. Get paintballgun.com. Category paintball tips how to. This is a paintball site as you can see. Paintball hops. Okay, hops is this one. It's quite slow. I don't know why. Let me have my camera over here. This is also a paintball site of the brawler. Lots of sites over here, and I will recommend you to just keep on adding sites that you find that are Amazon affiliate site and working in paintball niche. So this is also looks like a paintball clash. Okay, they're also an affiliate of Amazon. As long as you just keep on adding sites, okay, whenever you're having enough like 50 plus sites, you will see the rate of duplicacy will increase because you have already added the 30 sites, then you will see like lots of red warnings are coming in. Just ignore those warnings and find some not common, find some sites that are having a good authority. Okay, so when you do that, it will be very helpful for you in the future processes that we are going to do, and I will recommend you to complete this work today itself. It's not that much. You can 30 sites are minimum and up to 50 you can go, and more than 50 you can also do. You can see we get paintball gun, a fully paintball niche site. Paintball vest, paintball mask, gear, pistol, lots of. So I am a competitor. So be with me. So what you need to do, just go over there and Google and use this method. Or what you can do is instead of in URL, just type paintball. I mean, with this you will get the site that are having this disclaimer. and with having a paintball term as well. But this method more, you can say, in URL is more good than that one. As you can see, paintball prodigy, prodigy. What exactly? Paintball prodigy. What are the name? Combat Geeky, Paintball Zapper already in. So just go there and find some domains and keep on adding over here. When you have at least 50 and you can go maximum to 100, then go to the next lesson where I will teach you how you can do the keyword research. Thank you so much.